Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda CRV rear seat latch. First, determine if the latch is simply stuck or if a component is actually broken. Often, a simple obstruction prevents proper engagement. Look closely for any debris, coins, or small items that might be lodged in the latch assembly. Also, confirm that the seatbelt buckle or webbing is not caught in the mechanism, as this is a common issue preventing the seat from locking securely. Once you've ruled out simple obstructions, it's time to look deeper. A common culprit is a stretched or disconnected latch cable. Carefully inspect the cable running from the release handle to the latch mechanism for any damage or kinks. Sometimes, the latch simply needs lubrication. Apply a small amount of silicone spray to all moving parts of the latch to ensure smooth operation. Also, check the spring. It should provide firm tension. If lubrication and cable inspection don't resolve the issue, you might need to replace the latch assembly. You'll typically need a 10mm socket wrench to remove the mounting bolts holding the latch in place. Carefully detach the old unit and install the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. Pay special attention to properly reattaching the latch cable, as a loose connection will prevent it from functioning correctly. After any repair, always test the latch several times to ensure it engages and releases smoothly and securely. Make sure the seat locks firmly into place. To prevent future problems, regularly clean the latch area, removing any accumulated dirt or debris. A little preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping your CRV's rear seats functioning perfectly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.